up she's just as hot as a bikini one piece is now available in white. It's not one bit see-through. This bathing suit has that body molding fit. The monokini design is incredibly flattering. When you have to go to the bathroom, you can just pull it down in the back. Wicked supportive. It's got this line of stitching that runs under the bust. It's nice and thick. It's almost like a halter, but then it attaches to this tie down here. You get that support across your shoulders, support across the back. So much support. The monokini cutouts are perfectly placed. You basically get to disguise what you want to disguise and then showcase everything else. Double lined swimsuit fabric. Everything that's covered is nice and smooth. The outer layer is this sheer mesh. Such a hot look. It's like 3/4 coverage in the back, lightly cheeky. When you can't decide between a bikini and a one piece, this monokini is exactly what you do. It's literally perfect. Such a hot look. I'm gonna link it below.
For 100. Wala. Pa-short yun Next. Okay, aesthetic. Pa-aesthetic na bra. Ganda medium. Yung XL kanina na one piece. Yun pala yung rush guard ko. Size med. Medium mantag, high waist ang shonting. Ayan, size med. 100B. Ganda ng kulay. Ganda ng base color niyan. 100. Code ako 35. Code 35. Code 35. 100 pesos. 35 ang code. 100. Code 35, size medium, 100. Okay, next. Ito, para sa mga practical. Pwedeng pang daily use ba din Pwede mo siyang pang daily use. Ayan, kay purple. Lock sa likod yan, BXL. Ay, hindi to XL, pang small to. Ayan. Ay, pang small. Small lang to me. Size is small size. 100. Pang daily use. Code ka dito 35. Code 35. Code 35. 100 pesos. 100. 35 ang code. 100. Code 35. Mine 35. 100 pesos. Code 35. 100 pesos as 100. Code 35. Mine 35. 100. Okay, Walea. Next. Okay, Padinti floral ulit. Size small. High waist ang shonti pabralet. Small. Small pabralet, pang small. Small size. Small on tag 100. Code ako 37. Code 37. Code 37, 100 pesos. 37 ang code, 100. Code 37. Size is small, dainty floral. High waist shonte. Pwede siya sa likod to. Code 37, 100 pesos, 100. Code 37. Okay, next. Alright. Okay, small. Pabralet. Pwedeng pa-tube, natatanggal yung strap. Ayan o. Pwedeng pa-tube, natatanggal yung strap ha. Ayan. Pabralet din siya, pero removable ng strap, pwedeng tube. Small, high waist, shonte, 100. Code ka dito ng 39. Code 39, code 39, 100 pesos. 39 ang code. Saan yung naghanap ng pa-tube? Code 39, mine 39, small 100. Miss A. Thank you. Ayan. Walang detalye ang shonte. Soft tie, meron ma. Yes po, pwede, Madam Jajang yon. Jajam yon. Pwede po, pwedeng i-check out. Ay, one piece. Ay, pa-chain. Ay, shala, pang badas. O, ganda. Okay. Pa-halter, Madam, lock sa likod, large. Pang large size. Ganda, pa-chain-chain o pang badas. Large 100. Code ka dito 40. Code 40, code 40, 100. 40 ang code. 100. Yours and Ruthie. Thank you. Ayan, screenshot, comment, SSD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you, CZ and Roti. 100. Next. Okay, next. Up, small. Mi small, highway shonte Pang small highway shonte, ayan, patibak yan siya. Bralet, 79, code 41, small. Code 41, code 41, 79. Pang size is small. 41 ang code, 79. Wala isung, next. Oh, large. Uy, ang ganda, oh. Large size. Oh, may ribbon sa harap. Pabralet large. Highway shonte, madam mo. Dagat na dagat atake mo. 100, code 42. Code 42, code 42, 100 pesos. 42 ang code, 100. Size large. Code 42, 100. Size large, large on tag. 42 ang code, 100. Wala. Next. Rare. Okay, pa-rare sung. Soft tie, top soft tie, shonte, pang large. Gondo, oh. Large on tag pa halter di tali sa likod body nga. Large. Large size, ha. Anes ang atake, B. O, di ba? Ganda. 139 to me, ha. Large lang. 139 size large. Code ako 44. Code 44, code 44, 139. Size large. 44 ang code. 139, 139. Code 44, 944. Size large. Rare yan, mi, ha. Rare. Wala. Okay, next. Next tayo. Ato papatube. Kaso medium. Patube pang medium, pa floralet. Highway shonte, ma. Ayan, pang medium size. Medium size. Okay, 100. Code ako dito ng 45. Code 45, code 45, 100. 45 ang code, 100 pesos. Code 45. 100. Code 45945, 100 pesos, 100. 45 ang code, 100. Okay, next. One piece, pang bodysuit. Yan na lang kulay, oh. Size medium. Size medium ang taga. Yan, medium size, 100 na lang. Ganda ng kulay, best. 100. Code ako 46. Code 46, code 46, 100 pesos. 46 ang code. 46 ang code, 100. Size medium. Okay, medium ang tag. Bodysuit na. Code 46, mine 46, 100. Code 46, 100.